Shape similar Telugu letters, Group 2. Namaskaram and a warm welcome to Swayam MOOC Telugu language learning series. I am Battalu Venkateshwarlu and I am excited to continue guiding you through the fascinating and dynamic world of Telugu language. Today, we will take another step forward in mastering the Telugu script, focusing on the next set of letters. By the end of this session, you will have a deeper understanding of these characters, which will help you become more fluent in both reading and writing in Telugu language. In our last class, we explored the following letters. We studied Group 1, La, Ta, A, and Ta. Now we will continue with the following categories. We will focus on these second group. This group is devoted to the sequential study of consonant letters. The letters introduced here are Ga, Na, Sa. I'll read once. Ga, Na, Sa. While I'm reading, please observe my lip movement. Each of these letters will be discussed in detail, covering their pronunciation, writing techniques, and practical usage in forming words and sentences. So make sure you have your notebooks ready. Let's dive into today's lesson. Let's begin. Yes. To write the Telugu letter Ga, begin by drawing a bell-shaped curve with a headgear called talakattu. These complete the letter. Depending on your writing style, it can be written in 1 or 2 strokes. A helpful tip is to observe how Ga is formed and focus on the smooth, fluid motion of your hand as you move from one stroke to the next. Phonetically, Ga is described as a voiced vowel or unaspirated stop. The secondary symbol of Ga always appear beneath the consonant as seen in Gha. Now the next letter. To write the letter Na, start by drawing a condensed bell-shaped inverted semicircle. Extend it upward with a curved hook-like stroke and finish by adding the talakattu at the top. The entire letter can be written in a single stroke. It is pronounced as Na and is phonetically described as a voiced alveolar dental nozzle. Here a pro tip of this letter. Follow the arrow guides and maintain the natural fluid motion of your hand to form the letter correctly. The secondary symbol of Na always appear to the right side of the consonant as seen in Na. In the second group, the focus is on final syllable, which means final letter. How to write the Telugu letter Sa? Begin with a shape similar to the letter Na. Then draw a condensed bell-shaped curve with an extended upward hook-like stroke and add a headgear, which means talakattu, at the top. This combination creates the letter Sa. The letter is written in a 2-stroke. So, ensure your hand maintains a smooth, continuous motion. Observe how the letter is formed and follow the natural movement of your hand to practice the consistency needed for proper writing. The secondary symbol of Sa always appears at down to the upper right of this consonant. Now, let's take a look at these consonants interact with the vowel from the previous categories. For example, Ga incorporates with vowel in this format pure consonant. Gu plus A is equal to Ga. Gu plus A is equal to Ga. Na combines with the vowel in this format pure consonant. Nu plus A is equal to Na. And Nu plus A is equal to Na. Sa combines with vowel in this format pure consonant. S plus A is equal to Sa. And also S plus A is equal to Sa. By practicing these combines, you will strengthen your ability to write and pronounce words more fluently in Telugu language. Therefore, keep practicing these letters with their vowels and pay close attention to the writing technique as developing good habits. This process ensures the clarity and consistency of the script. Let us now consider as a set of words that will help reinforce the reading and application of the letters learned so far. These words offer an excellent opportunity to become familiar with the characters and their combinations. The Telugu words will be presented along with their transcription and English meanings. Ana, which means promise. Tana, which means own. Naga, which means ornament. Nasa, which means nagging. Sana, which means grinding stone. Naga, which means snake or cobra. Alana, which means care. Alaga, which means okay or alright or I see. Sagana, which means shall I continue or may I proceed? Natana, which means acting. Alasata, which means tiredness. Salasala, which means boiling. Taking advantage of this script introduced in this first and second groups, some short sentences can be formed. By way of illustration, a few examples are given below along with their corresponding meanings in English. Shall we see? Are you ready? See the syntaxes. Lagagalana, which means I am able to pull it. Tata lagana, which means in the manner of grandfather. Anaga anaga, which means that is to say. Alalagalagala, which means gurgling sounds of waves. Anaga nanaga, which means that ornament is mine. Asana nasana, it conveys that grinding stone is mine. The next illustration is Aana naana, which conveys that promise is mine. Assuming the discussion is clear, we shall now proceed to the next step. Here are some words formed using the script letters learned in the previous groups. These words illustrate how meaningful vocabulary can be created by combining letters into geminations, means double consonants. Anna, which means brother. Nanna, which means father. Satta, it conveys power. In this lesson, we covered the shape similarity group and learned how to use the related vocabulary in meaningful sentences. I hope you will continue traveling with me together. We will move forward in this entire language learning journey. I am grateful for your assistance. Thank you.